Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install this cute Upartwig, so stay tuned for all the details.
So here I have some hair from Wiggins hair. Definitely seen some videos from them before through me. Wiggins hair is pretty good. I've used them multiple times. So here I have a 26-inch Upartwig, kinky straight, and the parting in the inside, this part is 1 by 4 inches. So they had an option where you can choose which size you want your parting. So I chose 1 by 4 inches, but you can choose like 2 by 6, 2 by 1 by 4, depending on how much hair you want to leave out. So I don't like to leave a whole lot of hair out, so 1 inch across is pretty good for me, and 4 inches back is pretty standard for a middle part. So this is their kinky straight Upartwig. Like I said, it's 26 inches. So it's sewn in on a netted cap. So the cap, of course, is good construction. It's a breathable cap. It comes with 2 clips on the top where you clip it in at the top. Call it the anchor section. You clip it on your anchor braids. Comes with clips on the side, and it also comes with a clip in the back and some adjustable bands to adjust the cap size. This cap size is normal size, 22 inches. You can also customize the cap size to what you like, if you need it bigger, if you need it smaller. So this is just standard 22 inches normal head size. And you can see it's machine wefted on. It's really good construction. The hair is really nice, so you can straighten it out, you can curl it, and this will definitely blend with your natural texture hair. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you how easy this is to install. Alright, since this wig is based in the middle, I'm gonna do a middle part. Gonna leave some of her edges out. And you know, you can kind of manipulate these Upart wigs to kind of be what you want it to be. You can put it in a half up, half down, ponytail, all that good stuff. So if you remember, this parting is only 1 by 4. So usually if you have a hair cutting comb, they sell these at beauty supply stores too, I think. Hair cutting comb, it comes with the numbers on there, so you can actually measure back 4 inches to see where you need to stop. And you can also measure across 1 inch if you're unsure on how much leave out to leave with your Upartwig. So 4 inches is about back here. This is as long as I made the part anyway. So I'm gonna leave a half an inch out on both sides. And the rest of it, literally, you can just braid down however you like. You don't even have to do like small braids. You can do big braids, or however you like to do your foundation. I'm just gonna braid it down. Sometimes I do an anchor braid around here. You don't always have to do that. I'm not going to do that right now because I want to show you how simple it is to put this wig on. So I'm just making the braids in the front a little bit smaller, and the rest of them I'll probably make a little bit bigger. So these styles are also perfect if you want to oil your scalp. So this is, I have pimento oil. I just got this from the hair store. So you can definitely just oil your scalp before you put the wig on. So this comes with like a little piece on here. So I'm going to cut this little piece off. So it has these clips right here, so you just unclip them and clip it in. It's real simple. Unclip this back one. Ooh, that was easy. It's easy to put in. It's this one right here. Clip it down. So, clips in real flat. Remember, I used that comb to measure. So like I said, it's 1/4, so it matches up perfectly. There's also some clips on the side. But you can, oh, it's actually further down. But you can actually clip those in too. You see, this is a great texture to match her hair. So I'm going to straighten out her edges. You know, I use my handy dandy hot comb. You can use whatever you use to straighten the edges. So this hair blends in really good with her texture. I was going to straighten it out, but I don't think I'm going to straighten it out because I think I like the way it looks just in the natural pattern. But you can always straighten this hair out so it looks straighter if you want that, you know, real straight look. Top blends in really well. Blends in really well. It's really flat. So it just looks like a nice blowout. Alright guys, so make sure you follow Wiggins' hair. This hair is really pretty. I really like it. This wig was really easy to put on. It looks super duper natural. She can definitely pull this off. It matches her hair. You really don't even have to put heat on your hair if you don't want to. It's really nice. I'm going to leave some links in the description box for you to check them out. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment. Thank you for watching.